Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Felicia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these beautiful foils that you can put in resin art. So first you will need a laminator. This is just the Amazon brand that I got, a squeegee or a credit card, some heat transfer foil. So I have this brand here. And then you'll need transparency sheets and a laser printer. So I don't have a laser printer, but I just got these printed at FedEx. And when they print stuff on transparency, I guess they do it mirror image in reverse. So when I'm making my designs, I make sure to flip the image. That way, when I'm making the foils, it's facing the right way, which means the toner is on top of the transparency. So this is a laminator. I use the Amazon Basics. I have a squeegee here, and then this is the brand of heat transfer foil that I used. And you'll also need some scissors and your design printed on transparency paper from a laser printer. Okay, so this is the size sheets that you get in the rolls. It's like 6 inches across here, so it doesn't cover the full transparency sheet. So what I just did is trimmed it here. I'm gonna do these in gold, and then I even trimmed my foil, and I'm gonna do these in green. And I'm just going to place it over on top like that. And I want the side that has the toner, which is right here, to touch the foil like that. And now I'm going to run it through my laminator. So my laminator is already on, and I'm just gonna put it in here like this. You don't need any baking paper or anything. But first, before I put it in there, I'm going to get my squeegee, and I like to put it on a book or something. And then I will squeegee it so that it sticks to the paper or the transparency sheet before I put it in. Okay, so it's ready. The green light's on. And I have the setting on 5 millimeters, so make sure it's set there, and then you can feed the transparency with the foil through the laminator. And now I'll just get my squeegee and go over it. And now I'll peel it off. So look how beautiful that came out here. I'm gonna do it again with the rest of them, and I'm gonna use gold. So again, I wanna place it on top here. I'm gonna put it on the book. You know what, there's some extra here. I'm just gonna trim that way. If I have any small pieces I want to do, I still have some gold left. Okay, so I'm going to place it on top. And go ahead and squeegee it here. Run it through the laminator. Nice and straight. Deco. Okay. I'm gonna squeegee it this way first. And this side. There's some wrinkles on here, so hopefully it came out good. Sometimes they do get wrinkles. That's why you gotta squeegee it good before. Oh, wow. It looks amazing. I haven't used the gold with the texture yet, so it looks really pretty here. Okay, just one more time. Look how beautiful they came out. I love this gold. And it's as easy as that to make your beautiful foils for your resin art. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and make sure to subscribe for more tips. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.